Today I'm going to introduce you to a Koch Chemie detailing product that will provide you high gloss, lotus effect, and protection in all in one step. So what product am I talking about? It's called Protector Wax, and it's easy to apply, smells great, and I'm going to show you in this video. But before we apply the Protector Wax, we got to make sure we take the proper steps. As you guys can see, this wheel needs a little bit of loving. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we touch up the wheels first. Then we're going to rinse. And then we're going to be doing our contact wash, making sure that this B&W is ready for the application of Protector Wax. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to go ahead and apply it. All right, now that we're done with the whole washing the wheels and we pre-treated the vehicle, now it's time for the most satisfying part, which is using the foam cannon and spraying some foam on the vehicle. Now this is to provide lubrication when doing a contact wash. So this is not a necessary step. However, though, I do like doing this because it gives me more of a security of that I'm not scratching up the paint or I'm not doing any damage to the paint. But if you don't have a foam cannon, no worries. You can still use P&S Pearl. That's the shampoo that I'm using today. And you can just put this in the bucket and then just do a regular old traditional wash. Now, where the snow foam comes in hand is when you're using it for a pre-wash or a pre-treatment. This will be adding a high pH shampoo to your foam cannon and doing a snow foam. And it's the pre-treatment, so that will be just adding the foam to the vehicle, and then after that, rinsing it off. That's where the foam cannon really comes into play. But since we're not really doing a pre-treatment with this one, I still went ahead and still used the P&S Pearl, sprayed it on there, and then just started my contact wash. The weather has been warming up and definitely is starting to heat up over here. So that's why I always use a pH neutral shampoo, especially right here, like how I'm doing the wash is in direct sunlight. If I use anything higher in the pH scale or use degreasers or stuff like that and spray onto a hot panel, that's when you start running into a problem where you might stain up the vehicle. So that's why you have to be very cautious and washing your car in direct sunlight because you could definitely damage your vehicle. Now, since I am mobile, I am quite comfortable in doing washes in direct sunlight, but I only use specific products for this. So now this is where I want to introduce you to another product that I'm going to be using and trying out. And this is Koch Chemie's Protector Wax. This is a new product that I've been trying out and I am quite impressed on the performance. It's pretty easy to apply. A little goes a long way. All you have to use is about 30 mils to 1 liter of water. And you just put it in the foam cannon, foam up the vehicle. Now you have to do this once your vehicle is clean. Now you're not going to wash it with this product, but you're going to apply this product once your surface is clean. You're going to let it dwell up for a little bit. And once it has time to dwell, then all you got to do is just simply rinse it off. Now this product can be applied differently. I've seen other detailers put Protector Wax in a bottle, in a spray bottle actually, and then just spray and rinse off. But here we're just following the instructions of the Protector Wax, and we're using a foam cannon as it states there. Now the fragrance of this product is just amazing, guys. You can definitely smell it even after you're done. Like for example, here I did the interior afterwards, and I was still able to smell that nice fragrance from the Protector Wax. So if you guys like to work with products that smell amazing, then you have to try this out. All right, guys, let's bring you closer to this product here. As you guys can see, the chemical is working. You're seeing it separating. You're already seeing the hydrophobic properties. This product is just working amazingly. And the best part about this shampoo is that it's just gonna easily just rinse off, as you guys can see here. And here are the results. The results speak for itself, guys. Nice candy shine looking vehicle. Makes it look brand new. And this is all I've used. Protector wax. I didn't use anything else. And look at that gloss, guys. So if you're looking to get a high quality product, easy to apply, Koch Chemie Protector Wax is going to give you just that. And you're going to be impressing your customers, because when my customer came out and checked out her vehicle, she just mentioned that it looked brand new, and it really does. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave this product down in the description. You'll be able to go straight to where I buy my products. And if you want to grab one, you better grab one quick, because these do sell out pretty quickly. So if you use my link, not only are you getting access to great and quality detailing products, but you're also going to help and support this channel. That way I can keep on bringing you guys more detailing products so you don't have to spend money on them. Let me try them out, bring them out to you. And if you guys use my links, I'm going to be able to do this more often and helping you guys out. So thank you guys for joining me today. And I am looking forward to making another video to help you guys grow your mobile detailing business. This is Michael signing off from Hydro Mobile Detailing. I'll catch you guys later.